Well, a local hair salon in Springfield is helping clients conceal those pesky gray hairs, surprisingly, by not dyeing them. Our own Jordan Jagelinzer is learning more about the new low-maintenance coloring trend.
At Gasoline Alley Salon in Springfield, they're embracing their clients' grays. Here's how.
She's got more of like a gray patch, and she's young, and it's like she doesn't want to be in here every 6 weeks coloring it.
Stylist Ashley Murphy at Gasoline Alley Salon in Springfield is showing us how clients who have gray hairs can lessen their time at the salon.
We decided just to kind of blend in that gray patch that she has into like a muddy piece, a blonde in the front.
If you're a big Better Western Mass fan, you remember when we showed you the trendy money piece highlighting and framing the face.
You know, you have to kind of work with what you have going on naturally.
Now Murphy is helping her clients blend their grays by adding highlights or lowlights around the area to soften their appearance.
Especially with like the pandemic, a lot of people were, going a really long time without being able to color their hair.
Which is why colorists have got creative and clients are loving the results, spending less time in the salon chair to hide their grays, which grow back quickly.
A lot of people tend to be, a lot brighter, have a lot more whites in the front. So you could always be a little bit more blonder in the front.
And if your hair is darker than the models, don't worry, there are solutions for brunettes.
You can always put in more of like a low light in there. So something to match maybe your natural dark brown hair, just to soften that grow out a little bit.
Start with a consultation to see how your stylist can work their magic. For Better Western Mass, I'm Jordan Jagelinzer.